Hello guys, welcome back for another video, service reset my car. Today I'm going to show you how to service reset a Skoda Fabia. It's a 2015 model. We did an oil change for the car and I'm going to show you how to service reset this manually. Before we start, as always, I want to mention our YouTube channel, it's Service Reset My Car. We would appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. And I have more than 100 videos on my channel about different model cars on how to service reset them manually. So if you would like, you can check them all. Comments and questions, you can use the comment area and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, as I mentioned, this is a Skoda Fabia. It's a 2014 model and I'm going to show you how to do this by hand. Okay, before we start, we have to turn or press the ignition on. Before turning or pressing the ignition on, so the first step is ignition off. Yes, then we have to press this button over here. Press this button, turn the ignition on, keep pressing this button. Keep pressing that. One more time. Keep pressing that. Yes, as you can see, it asks me to change, if I change the oil. And if I press it again, then it goes okay. Then it goes away. Once more, press this button, turn the ignition off, wait for it and let go, press again. And that's the one, that's one. That's the oil change, and you have an inspection change. You can also reset by hand. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Turn the ignition off, press this button, turn the ignition on, wait for it for the second one. Yes, this is one. This is the inspection change, and press again. Let go and press again. So for the second inspection reset, you have to keep pressing that till the second menu, inspection menu, appears. And once that appears, you let go and press the button again. Okay, that was it on how to service reset a Skoda Fabia 2014 model. Subscribe to my channel if you didn't subscribe yet, and give us a thumbs up if you like our videos. See you next time with another video, hopefully soon. Bye bye.